Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of October 31st, 2021, Part 1. This week's theme is pumpkins. Penguin and Pumpkin, written and illustrated by Salina Yoon. It was fall and very white on the ice as always, which made Penguin curious. I wonder what it looks like off the ice. Let's go to the farm and find out. Penguin's baby brother Pumpkin waddled over. Can I come see fall too? I'm sorry, Pumpkin, but it's too far for a fledgling. Grandpa agreed. Maybe next year, Pumpkin. I'm not a baby. Penguin, Bootsy, and their friends headed to the farm. Goodbye, Pumpkin. The journey was long as Penguin looked and looked and looked for signs of land. Finally, the penguins arrived. The farm was full of pumpkins. Everyone reminded Penguin of his brother. You are the pumpkin of my dreams. Then Pumpkin looked up. Beautiful. This is perfect for Pumpkin. The penguins each picked out a pumpkin. Some were smooth, some were bumpy, some were long, some were curved. Every pumpkin was loved. Sweet dreams, dear Pumpkin. Penguin had a different idea. They rode home with their fall harvest. Are we there yet? Shh. The fall explorers were excited to share their treasures from the farm. Hey, Sleepy, you're awake. But where was Pumpkin? Penguin found a clue. What's this? Pumpkin, what are you doing over here? Munch, 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 munch. Since you wouldn't let us come, we decided to have our own fall adventure. We imagined fall on the harvest moon, fall on spooky Saturn, and even fall on the red planet. You have a space-tacular imagination, said Penguin. Mothership calls Pumpkin. Bye. But I wish I got to see what fall really looks like, Pumpkin sighed. See fall, thought Penguin. Wait right here, Pumpkin. Penguin took the crate up on a cliff. Grandpa and Bootsy followed a trail of leaves that led them right to Pumpkin. There you are. I brought you something. A pumpkin for Pumpkin, a perfect match. Thank you. Penguin finally returned. What does fall really look like? Asked Pumpkin eagerly. Look up, said Grandpa. Fall looks like snowing leaves. Wow! The end. Today's craft is yarn pumpkins, and your craft to go kit includes a pumpkin that's cut out and some yarn, which I taped on the edge so that it wouldn't unroll on you. And so there are two ways to do this. One way is to tuck the yarn behind. You can tape it here and just wrap it all around in different directions like this until you get a big puffy pumpkin, which it looks really cool. But this would be really rather difficult for younger kids to do. You can try it, obviously, but instead for the younger kids, I suggest getting glue, which I put on this plate, and just running. You can also get squeezy glue, which I'm going to use first. Cover the pumpkin with glue. And this is going to take a long time to dry, folks. Just telling you. And then I'm just going to run the string through there, the yarn, and I'm just going to lay it on there to make it look cool. And remember, all this white that's going to coat this is going to go away, and the yarn's going to get hard, and it'll look really cool. So that's all you do. You just kind of lay it on there and run it through the glue. I'm going to put the ball of yarn on the other side of the glue so it just comes right through. And your fingers will be a mess, but that's okay. That's what wipes are for, or washing them in the sink. But yeah, this is how we'll do it. Alright, I like the way my pumpkin looks now. I gave you guys a lot of yarn, so you don't have to use it all. I think mine's pretty good where it is. So I'm using a white right now to wipe off my fingers. I'm going to pull out my scissors and I'm just going to cut it off. Put a little bit more glue on there just to get it to stick underneath one of these. So this is pretty much what it looks like. But I'll take a picture of it when it's dry to show you guys. It will dry clear and it will look cool.